So, I don't think that it got the end. There's a 15-minute limit, I guess. So I just wanted to get into my conclusion. I can stop talking so fast, sorry. So I still want to give credit to the government for prioritizing our financial interests. However, I believe that there is a bigger picture. What good would a growing economy be if the health of the population is at risk? Based on the research that I've done, it isn't all that black and white. I found that there is a wide array of outcomes that may result in a growing economy and a healthy environment, not just it's either a growing economy or it's either a healthy environment. So to answer my initial question regarding the motives of the government towards climate change, there's simply not enough representation of both sides to provide fair decisions. They are mostly economically driven, which is unfortunate because of how far their recent decisions will set back the environmental movement. However, if history has taught us anything, life has always found a way to survive, just like it did in the Permian era. And so we can never give up hope. Thank you so much for listening, and enjoy the rest of your day.